beautiful, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be playing with a brand new I get excited with a brand new palette, and this is the Beauty Creations Elsa palette. A really good friend of mine blend when I went to Generation Beauty, and it's this beautiful palette. I have not played with it, you guys already know. I always try my hardest. Like 99% of the time I wait until I play with it with you guys. So this is a new palette that I want to play with and create something. And I did order this magic eyeshadow stamp Crease. I want to try it out. I've seen a few tutorials on it and I'm like, okay, I want to play with it. So if you guys are excited, you guys want to see what we create, continue watching. Okay, I'm so excited. All right, so let me zoom you guys in and let's play with some makeup. So now going in with my Kat Von D Lock-It Concealer, and I'm just going to add this on the lid. Going in with the Makeup Shack T23, going in with this shade right here, and we're gonna put that. Oh damn, that is pigmented. Okay, hello color. Just going to pat that shade on and then lightly blend, just very lightly. Ooh, that's pretty. That color is very pretty. And we're just going to add that in our crease right here. So just mixing those two shades together and just bringing it in. Again, it's okay, you don't have to be perfect with this because we will be cutting the crease. So just blending it on the outside and then bringing it in. Outside, bringing it in. Is that a moco? I think it was an eye boogie. Sorry. Okay. Anyways, going back, outward, and then bringing it in. And I'm using a Makeup Shack T9 brush. Okay, so now we will be using this magic eyeshadow stamp Crease. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with some concealer. Just put some on there. I'm scared. It would be this way, right? Whoa, what other way? Oh yeah, there is a wrong way. So this is the wrong way. Don't do it this way, do it this way. There is a right and a wrong way. Oh. I'm so nervous. Okay, here we go. Rest my eye. I'm going to stamp. I think that cut crease is like, is it a normal cut crease? Dang, like would that be like how high I'm supposed to go? I feel like the Kat Von D concealer is a little bit too sticky for it, so I am going to try it on this one. I think if I use Tarte, it will be better. I should have like played with it before I did eyeshadow and got all up in the groove. I'm going to go with the Tarte, which isn't as sticky as the Kat Von D. Here we go. I don't know. I just feel like the freaking I just feel like the stamp is so, like my crease is so high. Is that how creases are supposed to be? Crease is supposed to be that high and I wasn't doing it correctly all along. Oh, this one feels so sticky. I'm like so confused. I'm just, yeah, like, cause even if I did it like that, it'd still be high. Okay, it's just my eye shape where I have hooded eyes. I think that's where it's like, okay, so I'm gonna clean this up. I'm gonna speed this process up, but I am going to be cleaning up, and we're gonna rock with it. Yeah, I'm not gonna continue. This is supposed to be the easy way, but this is like no manches way. Like there's no way in hell. I don't know. I think it's because I have hooded lids. I honestly think it's because my eyes are very hooded. And by hooded, I mean, this is what, like, I have a big ass lonja, So that maybe that's what it is, because I don't know, or maybe this is too big, or my lids are too small. I don't know, because like you see, like it's supposed to, see, I'm doing it right. It's just this right here, it's too, I want it to work. No, I should have went down like that, huh? Okay, let's do it again. I'm gonna bring you down more. So this is touching the bottom now. See, that's like, okay, that's decent. That's like, all right, that's like, okay. I expect that. For it to be cut crease, I expect for it to be like, boom, this area. See? This area. Not, go, what the? Okay, so we have to do half. All right, let me go wipe my face off and I will be right back. Let's do it again. And again, I'm just gonna be doing half. I really want it to work. But if it's gonna be more of a hassle, then don't even play with it. Okay, so I just put it on half and then we're just going to smooth this out right there. Okay, so keep your ass cheeks tight. Let's see if this works. I could deal with that. I could deal with it being like that. For sure. So I'll just do it halfway. I'm just going to clean this up. So that's a lot better than the first. Cutting it in half worked out really, really good. I want to go in with this shade for my inner eye and then towards the end. And then the shade towards the end. Ooh, that's pretty. Okay, and I'm just going to blend these two colors, but I'm not mad at it. I'm not mad at the cut crease now. Just do half. Just do half. So here's how the cut crease looks. Looks pretty alright. Like it's good. So I'm just gonna go in and deepen my crease. So I will be using these two purples right here, and I will be using the MAC T14 brush. Add that right here just to give our look just a little. Now going in with gel eyeliner. This is the Morphe gel eyeliner in Jet. Okay, so I'm done with the eye look. Not that mad at it. It's okay, it's okay. Using Bergman lashes. Ooh, and these are in size medium. I really like how they look. Okay, so I will be going in with my infallible long wear eye pencil, and this is purple violet. So we're just going to add that to our bottom lash line. That's okay, get a little bit messy with it because we're going to add eyeshadow. We're going to really make this under eye pop. Using this shade right here, it's kind of like a violet shade, along with this color down here, just very lightly. Oh yeah. False Lash Effect mascara. This one is bomb diggity, you guys. Like, it really has me shook because of how good it is. It really is like, whoa. I was obsessed with the Tarte Lights Camera Lashes. This one is very similar. It's very good. And here is the eyes. Okay, so my final thoughts on everything. This cut crease stamp, it was helpful, but I feel like it was a pain in the butt. If you are going to purchase one or you're debating whether or not, just play around with it a lot. Play around with it a lot, just because how at first, how I went in and did the look right away. Play around with it first and kind of get like the hang of it and stuff, like what's gonna work best for you. Me doing it a couple of times, I figured, okay, me applying the product in half is going to work best for me just because of my eye shape, because all of us have different eye shapes. No one is the same. So keep that in mind. I don't really see myself using this just because of how much of a hassle it was, and what if I stamp it wrong the next time or I go a little bit too high. It's just one of those things where I'm just like, ugh. So I rather just grab a brush that's pretty wide and has really good length, just so I can just go boom, bam, look up, and then see where my crease is going to start. To me, I feel like this is more of a hassle, but maybe if I play around with it a little bit more, I'll learn to love it and just be boom, bam, thank you, ma'am. I would just recommend getting brushes that are pretty wide or that would help. This is the Makeup Shack T37. This one I like a lot just because, let me zoom in. Just because if I were to just stamp it, boom, right there, it's the size of my crease that I have going on now, or the MAC 249, boom, bam, and just kind of just boom, 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 and clean it up. It's cool, it works. I don't know, I just can't love it. You know, it's just one of those things where you just can't. You're just like, you're cool, but nah. Moving on to the next thing is the Beauty Creations palette, and this is the Elsa palette. Very pretty palette. I like it. I love how it has like the blues, the purples, teals, and then over here you have like your warmer shades. I would usually gravitate towards the warmer shades, but I'm so glad that I played around with this side, the cool side, instead of the warm side. The next time I play with this palette, I'll be playing with the warmer shades, but it's very pretty. I do like it. I did notice that when I was playing with the purple, it was kind of hard to kind of blend. I noticed with the blue that once you pack the shade on, you pack it on, it's very pretty and very pigmented. So it's just one of those kind of formulas that you just have to play around with and give a little bit more love into. The shimmers, beautiful, very pigmented, boom, buttery. Love them. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, please give me a big thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already to keep updated my videos. Quiero mucho, you guys. Besos a todos, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.